Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope all are keeping good health. Children, take out page number 42 of your moral science book. Lesson number 8, The Doe Family. Children, in this story, we will learn about what is the importance of speaking less and listening more. So let's start reading the lesson. The Doe family was an unusual one. The head of the family, Doe, as his name suggested, was a ball of dough. His wife was a slab of butter. They had two children, Ant and Cotton. So children, this is the story of a dough family. Dough means a mixture of flour, water, etc. that is used for baking into bread, etc. The Dough family was very unusual family. In this family, four persons were living. Who are they? Mr. Dough, the head of the family, his wife, slab of butter, and their two children, Ant and Cotton. One morning, Mother Butter asked her son Ant to go and get some resin. Resin means a sticky substance that is produced by some trees, as resin made a good fuel. Stay away from fresh resin, she cautioned. Caution means to warn somebody. You could get stuck. Get a small dried piece. So one morning, Mother Butter told her son to bring some resin for making fuel and said, bring dried piece of resin and not to go near the fresh resin. Otherwise, he could get stuck as ant was very small in size. She thinks I am still a baby, thought Ant as he climbed jauntily up the tree. Jauntily means in an easy manner. She does not know how strong I have become. He saw a big blob of resin emerging from a crack and rushed forward to grab it. And of course he got stuck. Meaning of blob means drop. Emerging means coming out. So Ant climbed up easily on the tree and thought he has become very strong and nothing can be happened. But at the same time, a big drop of resin came out from a crack towards him and the ant got stuck in it. When he did not return, Father Doe decided to go in search of him. Don't go too near the edge of the road, said his wife. You could easily slip and roll down the side. When Ant did not return, his father, Mr. Doe, went out in search of him. While going, his wife told him not to go near the edge of the road, as he can slip and roll down. Why she told like this? Because Mr. Doe was round in shape. What does she know? Thought Doe as he rolled out of the house. If I follow her advice and walk down the middle of the road, I could get crushed by the carts going by. I am safer at the edge. He zoomed to the edge of the road, lost his balance, and went rolling down the side of the steep hill. Meaning of zoomed, go somewhere fast. Meaning of crushed means to break something into small pieces. So, when Mr. Doe came out from the house, he thought if he walked down the middle of the road, he could get break into small pieces by the carts going by. So he came fast at the edge of the road and suddenly he lost his balance and rolled down the side of the hills. When her husband did not return, Mrs. Doe asked her daughter, Cotton, to go out and look for him. Take care not to walk in open spaces, my child, warned Mother Doe as Cotton got ready to leave. You could get blown away by the wind. When Mr. Doe did not return, his wife sent her daughter Cotton to look for him. While leaving the house, she told her not to go in open places as she can blow away by the wind. Why she told like this? Because Cotton was very light. Cotton thought her mother was being too fussy and went dancing down the street. Then, disregarding her mother's advice, she decided to take a shortcut across a meadow. She did not even get halfway. A gust of wind picked her up and carried her away into the mountains. Meaning of fussy, giving too much attention. Meaning of disregarding, disobey. Meaning of meadow, a field of grass. Meaning of a gust of wind, a sudden strong wind. So what happened? Cotton thought her mother is giving her too much attention. There is no need of it. She disobeyed her advice and decided to take shortcut across a field of grass. As she went halfway, a sudden strong wind came and blown her away into the mountains. Mother Butter waited for her family to return. The day got hotter and hotter, and Mother Butter began to melt and became smaller and smaller till finally there was nothing left of her except a puddle of liquid. Thus ends the story of the Doe family, which perished because nobody wanted to be told what to do. Meaning of perished, to die. So children, then Mother Butter kept waiting for her family and finally she melted into a pool of liquid. Thus, the Doe family got dead because nobody wanted to listen others' advice. We should listen to the advice of our elders and loved ones as they always mean good for us. We later realize this when something wrong happens, when we do not listen to their advice, like the doe, cotton, and end of this story. They did not listen to what Mother Butter said, and see, they all perished. So, always listen to your well wishes. So, children, we should always listen advice of our elders, loved one, and well wishers. They always think good for us. In this story, we saw in Doe family, the doe, ant, and cotton did not listen advice of Mother Butter, and everything went wrong with them. They all perished. So, always listen to your well wishers. Moral of the story is we should speak less and listen more. We learn a lot by listening to others. We should listen 100 times, think 1,000 times, and speak once. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.